Hey guys, this is James from mantripping.com, and we are here in Encintas, California at the Alilia Marea Resort. I'm going to flip this around so you're not looking at my face anymore. This is what you're paying for when you stay at this resort. This is Encintas, California, right on the beach. You can hear, I mean, you can't hear it on the camera maybe, but I can hear the ocean waves crashing. It's going to be awesome. It's a beautiful spring day here, but you are watching this video to see a room tour. So here's the chairs on the balcony here. And honestly, you could kind of stop this review right here because, well, that view is what you're paying for. But here's the room sitting area. As you can see, it's got a really beautiful, very minimalistic, but stock full of natural wood and rope and nice materials that really complement the area really well. So over here, it's one thing that I love about this room. You've got 3 USB plugs, 2 power outlets, and you've got the same thing over on that side as well. So in case I mispronounced the wording, which I'm sure I did, that's how it's actually pronounced, or actually spelled. Here's the room service in-room dining menu. Big, huge TV, coffee maker, all of our gear, barn door into the bathroom. That's just a regular toilet. And over here is an amazing shower. Again, you can see the nice wood materials, the wood instead of tile. And then I hear some people talking about forest bathing. Well, there you go. It smells amazing in here because these eucalyptus leaves are right over the rain shower head. And that just adds to the incredible luxury and ambiance here. So these guys opened up during the pandemic just about a year ago, and we're really happy that they're here. It's a great resort. They've got a really nice kettle over here, the electric kettle. But that is wonderful for people like myself who really don't like the K-cup. This is Nespresso pods. Anyhow, that is the room. We are in room 225. And just one last view of this amazing, amazing ocean out there. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.